we start teaching this, we're going to make sure we teach each piece individually. Make sure each piece is fluent, right? Initially, it's going to be slow, which is perfectly fine. I'm slow too when I learn something new, right? Because my brain is working super, super hard trying to learn what I'm doing. When you initially start this, your dog doesn't know what to do, so they're going to be thinking, they're going to be figuring it out, so they're going to be slow. Fine, I reward, reward, reward. The more they get reinforced, the more you give the correct information, the more confident they're going to be, the faster it's going to get. I create that strong positive association with the foot target, which means every time she sees it, she's like, foot target, I think this is super fun. And then those feelings, those positive feelings from the foot target spill into their finish. So for her, this was a really good tool to use. I'm pretty confident that I actually introduced it after she already kind of knew a finish. You can use it to help teach it. Totally up to you. Again, you have to remember that it is a cue. Initial piece, he chooses to jump up, halfway around, that's another piece. Rest of the way around, nice and tight to me, that's another piece. Squaring up his feet and ending in perfect position is another piece. Right? All I care about when I'm teaching this is that my dog is on the edge of his seat and comes to me really fast the second I give the cue.